Hello students, now we are going to start chapter number 3, exponents of rational number. So here you have to understand what is the concept of exponent, right? So if in repeated multiplication of a natural number, right? If a number is given, a natural number is given and it is in repeated multiplication form, so we can express that number in short form like here you can see 5 is multiplying 5 times, 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is known as expanded form, right? So when you write this expanded form into the form of exponent or power, so we can write 5 raised to power 6, right? So a number is 5 and how many times it is repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 raised to power 6. So here 5 is known as base and 6 is known as exponent or power, and we can read it as 5 raised to power 6, right? And this is known as expanded form. Now the base tells the number which repeats itself in multiplication and the exponent or power tells the number of time the base repeats itself. So here you can see base 5 is telling us that number which is repeating, that is number 5, and the exponent of power 6 is telling us how many times this number 5 which is base is repeating, that is 6 times. Now based on this we are having exercise 3.1. It is a simple exercise. You have to read out in question number 1. In question 2, right, it is given in expanded form, so you have to write in exponent form 4 raised to power 3. Similarly, question F, P is given how many times? N times. So when you write in exponent form, it will become P raised to power n. Right? Similarly, in question 3, you have to write in expanded form. Right? So number is given in exponent or power form, that is 2 raised to power 4, and you have to write in expanded form. The expanded form will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So you have to write 2 in multiplication form and how many times? 4 times. Right? Question number 4, you have to compute, you have to solve this. Right? So number is given 6 raised to power 3. When you compute or solve 6 into 6 into 6, you have to multiply 6 how many times? 3 times. So when you multiply 6 3 times, you will get answer 216. Same question number F, 100 raised to the power 3, that is given to you. So 100 raised to power 3, it means you have to multiply 100 3 times, 100 into 100 into 100, and when you solve this you will get 1 with 6 zeros, that is 10 lakh. Now we have to go through some laws of exponent, right? So first law is law of multiplication, right? It states that when two number in exponent form are given and both the number are having same base, right? So here you can see both the number are having same base, that is a, then power will be added, right? So a raised to power n multiply a raised to power n, that will equals to the a raised to power n plus n. Similarly, if more than two numbers are there, here you can see 3 are there, a raised to power m into a raised to power n, a raised to power p, that will equals to a raised to power m plus n plus p. So if bases are same, then power will be added. So based on this exercise 3.2, question 1 D part I am solving 5 raised to power 7 into 5. So if it is 5, it means its power is 1. So we can write 5 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 1. So here base of both the number is same, that is 5. So we can write 5 raised to power will be added, 7 plus 1. So 5 raised to power 8. Similarly, in question 2 J part, there are 3 numbers you can see in exponent form, a raised to power 1 to a raised to power p plus 2 and to a raised to power 10. So here how you have to solve? Base of all the 3 numbers is same, that is a. So we will take a and then power will be added. So 1 plus p plus 2 plus 10. 1 plus p plus 2 plus 10. So you will get a raised to power p and all these 3 numbers you will add 10 plus 2 plus 1, you will get p plus 30. Now next law is law of division. So if two numbers are given in division form, right, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, then power will subtract each other. Both the bases are same and they are dividing each other. So we can write a raised to power m minus n, right? And one thing I want to tell you, here you can see if power is negative, a raised to power minus n, you can convert that power into positive 1. How you will convert? This minus m will go to denominator and will become 1 upon a raised to power m. Similarly, if denominator it is given negative power, so you can convert it into positive. 1 upon a raised to power minus m, that will equals to a raised to power m. So like this you can convert the power into negative and positive form. So based on this law, we are having exercise 3.3. Question 1, a part, you can see 2 raised to power 7 divided by 2 raised to power 5. So here base is same 2. So we can subtract the power. 2 raised to power 7 minus 5, 2 raised to power 2, that you can write as 4. In question first H part, 7 raised to power 7 divided by 7 raised to power 9. Base is same and they are dividing each other, right? So power will subtract. So 7 raised to power 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9. So here you will get 7 raised to power 7 minus 9, you will get minus 2. Right? So power is negative, you can convert it into positive. So 1 upon 7 raised to power 2, like this. 1 upon 7 raised to power 2, it you will get 1 upon 49. Similarly, question 2D part, b divided by b raised to power 3. So here power is, nothing is written, it means power is 1. So same, base is same and power will subtract. So b raised to power 1 minus 3. Answer will be b raised to power minus 2. Power is negative, you can convert into positive, equals to 1 upon b raised to power 2. And next is power of a power. So if a number is given in exponent form like this, a raised to power m, then whole power n. So in this case, power will product with each other or multiply with each other. So here you can write a raised to power m into n. So based on this, we are in exercise 3.4. Question 2b part, a raised to power 5 and whole power 3. So here you can see the power will product with each other. A raised to power 5 into 3, a raised to power 15. Next law is power of a product. So if number are given in product form a into b and whole power is n, we can distribute the power on both the number, a raised to power n multiply b raised to power n. Based on this, we are having exercise 3.5. Question 1a part, 2 multiply 3 whole raised to power 4. So we can distribute the power on 2 and 3. 2 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 4. Question 3a part, 4 raised to power 3 multiply 9 raised to power 3. So here you can see both the numbers having same power 3, right? And 4 and 9 are multiplying. So we can write 4 multiplied by 9 when bracket whole raised to power 3. 4 into 9, that is 36 raised to power 3. 36 we can write 6 raised to power 2. That you will get 6 raised to power 6. 2 will multiply with 3, 6 raised to power 6. The next is 0 as an exponent. So if any a number is written and 0 is power or exponent, right? So any number raised to power 0, that is equals to 1. So a raised to power 0 will equals to 1, right? So based on this exercise 3.6, question 6, m raised to power 0 multiply 5 raised to power 4. So m raised to power 0, that is equals to 1 into 5 raised to power 4. The answer will be 5 raised to power 4. So based on these laws, you can solve these exercises based on exponents of rational number. Thank you.